So I was chairing the morning session on Friday at WMS in Copenhagen. And there was one very interesting talk on the gene therapy in SMA and the biodistribution in different tissues. And it was presented that the gene therapy is very well distributed in different tissues, especially not only in motor neurons, but also in different organs and tissues, especially the highest levels were in the liver. And we heard in the talk before that high expression levels in the liver reduce the T-cell response of and reduce immunogenicity thereby, which is very good. The results were very interesting and are very promising for future treatment. So far, the gene therapy is not yet approved in the EU, but in general, the information helps for peripheral expression of the SMN protein, because SMR is a multi-organ disease, not only affecting the motor neurons, and therefore expression in different tissues can be helpful for the patients.
Yesterday we could see a communication about the biodistribution of the gene therapy, and it was quite exciting to know that the biodistribution was equally distributed in all the tissues of the organism. So these are new things that we are learning, because these therapies are quite new. Until now, we didn't know this, and our knowledge is increasing regarding all the different things, because we don't have to forget that we are very excited, but we have been with these therapies for just few years and few patients, but the results are quite outstanding. Gene therapy probably will be available in Europe and in Spain in the next few years. And these are good news, because as we have seen in the Congress, the results are quite outstanding for SMA1 patients. We think that it can change the management of the condition.
For the time being, the gene therapy is available in France via a temporary authorization that is demanded by a doctor, and that there is a national specialist opinion that will confirm if the treatment should be given to a certain patient or not. So there is a possibility for a patient to benefit from the gene therapy in France. The question is how are the results that have been presented at the Congress influencing? How are the results influencing the decision of the doctor? I think it's something that everybody asks. So I say yes, they are encouraging. I don't know if they're going to convince more doctors to prescribe it or not, because at the end it's they're also their experience. So I think yes, it's encouraging. I'm not sure that it will change much, but I think they give you more reasons to go and try this approach for type 1 patients in France.